Nice one, guys. So basically, back in the kitchen with another one. This morning, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make this beautiful, healthy drink this morning. It's going to be a 10 minutes video. It won't be too long. I'm going to be really super fast with it. All right. Yeah. It's going to be a very simple one where you guys can make in the morning. Perfect for drink at night. All right. And to be honest with you, I would encourage you guys try and make this one at night. All right. Yeah. It's a simple one. It's a weight loss recipe and it's also a detoxing recipe where you can also make at home. It's going to be a simple step-by-step recipe. It's not going to be complicated. Good morning to every one of you guys who take the time coming on the show and watching Chef Ricardo Cooking. We appreciate the love. Yeah, but thank you so much for your time. And I really appreciate the guys' love this morning. All right. I'm just going to walk you through it and show you exactly what I've been doing to make this beautiful drink. Okay. You can drink it just before bedtime at night. This is the best time to drink it. It's not a very like a healthy drink, like a heavy drink. It's just a simple, relaxing, detoxing and weight loss drink where you guys can drink before you go to bed. All right. Yeah, I got a few. It's just a few ingredients. What's gonna make this? We got some parsley. All right. We got a piece of cucumber and celery, ginger, lemon, and cinnamon powder. All right. These are what you're gonna need to make this drink. It's not gonna be needed too on some water. Nothing too complicated. It's gonna be super easy. So what we're gonna do, I'll walk you through it and show you exactly how to make this. It's gonna be a super easy one this morning. All right. It's not gonna be complicated. So right here, we're going to put some the parsley leaf inside of it, just like this. All right. And this is the best way you want to do it. You want to make sure you remove the leaves from the parsley. All right. Now, well, a lot of people doesn't understand the powerful of parsley. Parsley is powerful, guys, and I will encourage you start to use this on a daily basis if you can. So just remove the leaves like this. All right. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. So removing the leaf. Just like this. All right. From the parsley. So we're not going to be using the stalk part of the parsley. We just want to get the leaves done. Nice one. Lovely. So that's the leaf right there. All right. Now, I'm going to be getting some celery. All right. Roughly about quarter of a cucumber. We're going to put some cucumber inside of it. Just like this. And then we're going to put 2 little pieces of a ginger right here, 2 little slices inside of the blender. All right. But what I'm going to do is going to add roughly about 3 more celery inside of it. So right here, we got the parsley, we got some cucumber, ginger, and some celery inside of it, all right? As I said, it's just a 10 minutes video. It won't be too long. I got a piece more ginger. I'm gonna chuck it straight inside of it. We're gonna put half of a lemon inside of it, just like this. All right. Now we're gonna get some cinnamon powder, which is gonna be the most important part. So this is gonna be half a teaspoon of cinnamon we're gonna be using inside of it. Let's put a little bit more. So I put half of a teaspoon of cinnamon inside of it. All right. So the cinnamon is gonna make a difference also inside of it. All right. Now, what we're gonna do is put some water inside of it. Roughly about a cup of water. All right. And then what we're gonna do is to blend up all of these ingredients. So we're gonna blend up this and get all of that flavor from it. Wow. Now, this is what I'm talking about. Now, take a good look at this, guys. All right. You don't need to add any sugar or sweetener. Run it through your strainer like this. You can drink it on its own, to be honest with you. But we're just gonna get the juice. Now, this right here, don't get me wrong, you can have some of this, but me personally, I drink so much of this, it's unbelievable. All right, but you guys can drink some of it. Ashley, good morning. All right, so this is what you want to do. All right, you see that? Not even much left inside of it, all right? Out of the wall of that. So I get a lot out of it. All right? And this is where it look. All right, that looks amazing, honestly. Beautiful one for you guys to drink in the morning. Look at this. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys. That is a fantastic and an amazing recipe. Now, as you can see it for yourself, that is lovely. And to be honest with you, you want to drink this before you go to bed at night. You can drink in the morning also, but the best time to drink this is at night because parsley got so much health benefit, guys. It's unbelievable. All right. So give this a try at home and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. As I said, we got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. But if you like that recipe, guys, as I say, you can always make this one. Now, this is one of my recipes which I normally make, but I have another one